Yes. To me, what I know and I'm so confident about is that SACCOs really haven't gone out there to get the intelligence, because someone said that there is power in knowledge. They haven't got it, and that's why most likely they are still lagging behind. They do not know what it requires in terms of savings. They don't know what it requires in terms of loans, because they have really not invested in getting this information from the consumers. I strongly believe that the SACCOs have a chance to move to the next level. They have an opportunity to break off and take off and be better solutions to the places where they operate than even banks by far. But they have to work on a number of things. They have to make monies available. They have to have the loanable funds. It's not enough to talk about the cost of capital. That is easier to borrow from us than in the banks. But do you really have that money? That is one thing. They also need to work on their image. They want to work on the governance structures. They have to ensure that they walk the talk and become the solutions to the people. Banks, of course, spend a huge proportion of their monies on research. SACCOs don't. So if they do not know, how then do they move? How do they put together loan products or savings products so that they are different and they are distinct, they are unique, but they have to prove the uniqueness in terms of the kind of loan products, in terms of savings products. It is not going to take rocket science for SACCOs to transform themselves, even as they try to blend. But these SACCOs have to put their thinking together and come up with solutions that are going to address the people. It is going to take probably an average thinking, I will tell you, that SACCOs know that they need to change. Some, of course, need a fundamental organization. Some have to be restructured. Others may have to merge to make business sense. But the truth of the matter is, SACCOs that sit down and realize their challenges and decide to change, they will take a very short period of time to do that, because they have the members who are saving, they have the members who are borrowing. They only need to organize themselves to be better institutions. In this era of regulations, SACCOs can only get better. And there are a lot of financial institutions that are out there that are interested in working with them to build their capital base so that they are better institutions, because unless they have the monies, they will not convince people that they are better financial institutions. That's why people still go to the Shyrocks. They borrow at 100% per week, because the Shyrock people have the monies available with them. SACCOs may have monies at 12% per annum, but the monies may not be there. So members go out there, get it very expensively, and they still struggle and pay. SACCOs can actually have monies available when members need them. And that confidence will now tell the members, if they can actually get the monies when they want, they can as well save the monies when they have it. And the challenge is getting monies from within the members. These are the people who still save with the banks. The banks are still fed by these same members in the same localities. So how then comes that they are never able to save with the SACCOs, but they are saving with the banks? The game changer is that SACCOs have to change themselves from within and convince the members they are better financial institutions. They can have confidence with them. They can have, the crisis that has been there in the past has been addressed. And now we are being regulated. Therefore, we are better financial institutions just like any other. And therefore, you can trust us as a SACCO. You can bring your monies, from wherever they are, from your under matrix, even from other institutions, and put it together and save it with us as a SACCO. As we give you interest of returns on your investment, as we give you dividends annually, we are doing so because we are able to have sustainable capital from among the members. Even as institutions of SACCO type look out there, out of the country, to get better and affordable capital, they can raise affordable and sustainable capital from the members themselves and become the choice, the alternatives in the villages and even in towns.